Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and today I am back with another Yu-Gi-Oh type of video. So this is an OCG box, as you can see, because we don't get these in English. So this one I already opened, so don't bother about these. So this is a Link Vrains box, and yeah, this is like one of the other, like. Long ago I opened like a limited edition box or something like that. It's just a shame that we don't get these in English. That's the only problem. It's all kinds of interesting stuff in here. So first of all, let's take this off. So here's our first cards on the top. So this one looks like Firewall Dragon, something like that. I think this is an ultimate rare. And this is an ultimate secret rare or something like that. Can't see the secret, but on the camera, at least I don't. But I can see it in real life. So, or maybe it's just was. Oh no, it's the secret part is only around the corners. It's on the sides, as you can see. Next up is. I'll get out one of the Trickstar cards. I'm not going to tell you the names because I don't want to look up for them. You can see some secret rares here. Oh, this one is a secret rare, so looks much cooler. And also a Goki card. I don't know which one Goki is this one, but looks cool. Some more cards from my collection. So there's some more cards here. Get some really cool sleeves. I don't know how much are there in here, but maybe 60 or something like that. And also you get this. Oh, this is heavy. This is a box for you with all cool. You can see my face, right? You can see all kinds of art styles here. Really cool. There's a little bit of everybody on every side. So, I'm feeling that it has a little weight on it, so I think I can open it from on this side. So there's something inside. Oh yeah, there's something inside. So what is it? Oh, oh, nice, cool. Wait, one. There's something. Okay, this is it. That's empty. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting more. So you get more sleeves. This I think is a small deck box. And there's some boosters in there. I was not expecting boosters. Of course, Japanese, but still boosters. So basically, I can just bend this one. Not bend it, but well, I'm not gonna put this right now together. But you can see it's just on the back side. You can see really cool characters and so on, so on. Okay, also there are 3 boosters, even better. Can't remember the names. Ah, well, it's on the boosters. Extreme Force. There's like a few cards in there only. Circuit Break and Code of the Duelist. So, first off, we see some really cool sleeves as well. So that's cool to get more sleeves. Okay, let's get into this first, and then we'll go to the boosters. Okay. So this is one secret rare. Oh, this looks interesting. Another Link. I believe all the cards are in here are shiny. Oh, this one is nice. This one, oh, I forgot the names. Even for the last one, I forgot the name. Not really good with names, so sorry. Oh, I don't remember having this Trickstar. I don't think you have this one. Okay, cool. Oh, well, that happened. Oh, another pretty card. This one is, I believe, for Trickstars as well. more trick stores, another trick store, and this is, looks like a Goki. Probably it is. Yep. There's a cool card. Almost, I thought that was the secret rare, but the inside of the picture you can see there's like a fence and it looked like a secret rare. Some more Gokis, and some of the barrel type monsters, yeah. And oh, that's one more. And there we go, that's that. So these are like I said, I didn't bother to go through the cards. Of course, probably the viewers who are watching this are probably, how can you not know that card, and so on. Like I said, I'm not good with names. I don't remember the names, especially with cards which are not important to me. Let's get this away. And well, I hope I don't need scissors for these. Oh yeah, there's a size you can open. Cool. Come on. So let's see what you can get in this. Put there. Huh? Ooh, this is interesting. That's it. Okay. Remember when which you were guaranteed hollows or which you're not. Because Japanese have their stuff different. Not like for us. And that's it. That's the last card here. There's a rare. And maybe I can get a firewall. That would be interesting. Oh, come on. I really do prefer the cards that we have, the packages we have. Light Swan, another link. Oh, this really were cards. And that's our last card. Yeah, that's a rare. So I was really not expecting to get boosters in this, because there was nothing said about boosters. But all in all, like, cool, you can get 2 packs of sleeves, a bunch of foils, and cards that we don't have even, like these promo types. I think they're called promo, I don't know. Small deck box, and big box for where you can store all your stuff inside, like so. 1, 2, and we're good. Okay, hope you liked this video. I really tried to just make it a quick one, because there's nothing much to show here. So that's that. Please like, oh, what's wrong with me? Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.